Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will explore Palantir in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 27th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You will not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 33.72% over the next 3 months, with a possible return falling between 33.72% and 66.88%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of around 244.51%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 182.42% to 324.31% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $442.61 and $664.97. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline: Palantir stock price ended at $156.72 on Wednesday after losing 2.58%. The Palantir stock price fell by 2.58% on the last day, Wednesday, the 27th of August, 2025, from $160.87 to $156.72. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.04%, reaching a day low at $155.98 and a day high of $162.28. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 15% during this period. Volume declined on the last day alongside the stock, which is a positive sign since volume should align with stock performance. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 17 million shares, with a total of 69 million shares bought and sold for approximately $10.79 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $190, and the lowest price was $29.31. Currently, the price is 17.52%, or $33.28, below the 52-week high of $190, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Palantir shares have stood out in 2025, roughly doubling year-to-date and pushing market value toward about $370 billion. Recent headlines blend optimistic catalysts with cautionary signals. The company has just announced a significant government deal that should enhance near-term revenue visibility. Comments from key leaders in the AI ecosystem have bolstered sentiment around Palantir's platform integrations, and Washington is reportedly debating taking equity stakes in major defense contractors, a development that could lead to deeper government ties or even direct investment. However, offsetting that momentum, CEO Alex Karp disclosed stock sales exceeding $60 million, and analysts continue to caution that high-flying AI names can face dramatic drop-offs, highlighting sharp volatility risks. Regarding the stock's impact in the short term, news of the government contract and positive AI ecosystem headlines can trigger rallies and increase trading volumes, while insider selling and inflated valuations invite profit-taking and quick pullbacks. In the long run, stronger government relationships and ongoing integration into AI infrastructure could support sustainable revenue growth and a higher valuation multiple. However, the concentration of government exposure, competitive pressures, and valuation risks suggest that while the upside is promising, it is far from guaranteed. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 5th of August, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned PLTR an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Citigroup also reported a neutral rating for PLTR, accompanied by a hold recommendation. Additionally, Piper Sandler provided PLTR with an overweight rating and recommended holding the stock. Loop Capital Markets on that day rated PLTR as a buy and suggested a hold action as well. Finally, UBS reported a neutral rating for PLTR, also recommending a hold. Analysts have assigned Palantir stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Palantir stock indicates sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. If there is an upward correction, resistance will likely be encountered at $157.63 and $161.93. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 12, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 16.18%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence indicator. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see the following. Short moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 98 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir finds support from accumulated volume at $156.01. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This stock exhibits considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, with a significant prediction interval from the Bollinger Band is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $6.30 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.04%. Throughout the past week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 5.07%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 3rd of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 17 cents. It is crucial to monitor these figures, as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir is at $157.75. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir faces its first support level at $156.01. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Buckley Jeffrey, who bought and sold 274 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 13.081. In total, insiders acquired 1,325,861 shares and disposed of 1,728,785 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Palantir stock a good buy? The Palantir stock presents several concerning signals, and despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Palantir may underperform in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 28th of August, we expect Palantir to open higher by $1.61, starting at $158.33. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.